Have you ever felt like you're stuck in a cycle of financial struggle, constantly worried about the bills piling up or wondering when your big break will finally come? You're not alone. Many of us find ourselves battling these thoughts, day in and day out. But what if I told you that the answer to your financial breakthrough is already here, and all you have to do is listen? The universe has a message, just for you, a message so powerful that it can completely shift your financial reality. Imagine waking up tomorrow with the certainty that wealth, abundance, and prosperity are flowing toward you, effortlessly. That's exactly what this message can do for you. You don't need to spend years working harder or worrying about money. This message is your key to unlocking the limitless potential that's always been within your reach. The best part? You only need to hear it once. So take a deep breath, relax, and get ready for a life-changing experience. Open your mind, trust in the process, and allow the universe to guide you to the wealth you deserve. It's time to step into the abundant life that's waiting for you. It's time to release the constant anxiety that surrounds money, the economy, and daily expenses. The universe is calling on you to let go of the stress that clouds your mind and drains your energy. You don't need to carry the weight of financial worry any longer. Trust that the changes you've been waiting for are already in motion, and your financial situation is about to transform in ways you've never imagined. Often we find ourselves consumed by the fear of not having enough money to cover bills, keep up with inflation, or secure a stable future. This cycle of worry can hold us back, making it harder to manifest prosperity and success. But here's the truth. Constant stress about money only creates more of what you don't want. It keeps you locked in a state of lack, preventing you from aligning with abundance. The universe urges you to shift your perspective. Believe that everything is working in your favor and that your financial flow is naturally improving. Trust that the economy, your income, and opportunities are all aligning to create the wealth you deserve. With this mindset shift, you begin to attract new opportunities, ideas, and financial blessings into your life. Let go of fear, release the worry. Open yourself up to the flow of abundance that's on its way. Your financial future is brighter than you think, and it's time to embrace the change that's coming your way. Today marks the beginning of a powerful transformation in your life. It's time to shift your mindset and open your heart to the flow of abundance that is coming your way. The universe is abundant, and there is no shortage of wealth, prosperity, and opportunities waiting for you to claim them. The key is to believe with unwavering certainty that prosperity is not only possible, but inevitable. Start by expecting wealth to flow into your life today. Visualize it coming to you in various forms, whether through new opportunities, financial gains, or unexpected blessings. Trust that your thoughts and energy are powerful. What you focus on expands, and by focusing on abundance, you invite it into your reality. When you truly believe that abundance is your birthright, it starts manifesting in ways you may never have imagined. You deserve all the wealth and prosperity that the universe has to offer. There is no reason to hold on to limiting beliefs or doubts about your financial future. Instead, embrace the belief that everything you desire is on its way. Your success is already guaranteed, and all you need to do is be open and receptive to receiving it. By embracing this mindset, you create the conditions for abundance to flow easily and effortlessly into your life. Let go of any resistance and welcome the flow of prosperity with open arms. The universe is aligning everything in your favor. Your time has come to experience the wealth you deserve. The key to manifesting wealth and prosperity lies in the power of certainty. To truly attract abundance into your life, you must believe without a shadow of a doubt that wealth is already on its way to you. This unwavering belief creates a magnetic force that pulls opportunities, success, and financial blessings toward you. When you internalize certainty, you align your thoughts, energy, and actions with the flow of abundance. Certainty is not just wishful thinking. It is the foundation of trust in the universe's ability to deliver. It's about knowing, deep down in your soul, that prosperity is not a matter of if, but when. The more you affirm this belief, the stronger its effect becomes. It acts as a powerful magnet, drawing wealth from unexpected sources, creating opportunities where there were none, and opening doors that once seemed closed. When you have certainty in your heart, there is no space for doubt or fear to take root. Doubts about your financial future or your ability to succeed vanish as your focus sharpens. You begin to take inspired actions that align with your goals, and each step you take is guided by the certainty that success is inevitable. Make the choice to focus on certainty today. Speak affirmations of abundance, visualize your success, and trust that wealth is already on its way. The more you internalize this belief, the more powerful and transformative your manifestation process becomes. Certainty is your most powerful tool. Use it to unlock the doors to limitless prosperity. A profound shift is taking place right now in your financial world. The universe is aligning everything in your favor, transforming your current circumstances and paving the way for a future overflowing with limitless wealth and success. This is a turning point. Your financial future is being reshaped, and abundance is now becoming a natural part of your life. Trust that this shift is happening, even if you can't see all the details just yet. The universe has been working behind the scenes, orchestrating the right opportunities, connections, and circumstances that will propel you toward greater prosperity. Where you once faced challenges or doubts, you will now find solutions, breakthroughs, and a steady flow of wealth. You are being lifted from your current state into a reality filled with financial freedom and unlimited potential. It's not just about the money itself. It's about the doors that are opening, the opportunities you will seize, and the experiences that will come with this new chapter in your life. This shift will elevate every area of your financial world, from career and investments to personal wealth and growth. Believe in the process and trust the journey. The universe is guiding you to where you are meant to be, where abundance, success, and fulfillment are the natural outcome. Open your heart to the change, release any limiting beliefs, and know that this shift is your divine opportunity to step into the wealth and prosperity that are now yours. Wealth is not something that you have to chase or struggle for. It is your divine birthright. From the moment you were born, prosperity was already part of your design. You were created to flourish, to thrive, and to experience the abundance that the universe has to offer. The struggles and limitations you may have faced up until now are not your destiny. They are simply temporary conditions that are about to change. The universe has always intended for you to live a life of financial ease, freedom, and fulfillment. The barriers you've encountered, the doubts you've harbored, and the fears you've carried are not the truth of your existence. Your truth is that you are meant to experience wealth in all its forms. Money, opportunities, success, and the joy that comes with knowing you are supported and provided for. Today marks the end of struggle and the beginning of a new chapter. The universe is aligning your path with the wealth and prosperity you deserve. Your abundance is already on its way to you, and it will come in ways that you may not even expect. But one thing is certain. Wealth is your birthright, and it is time to claim it. Embrace the truth that you are meant for greatness. You are designed for success. Step forward with confidence, knowing that the abundance you've always deserved is now yours to receive. Your journey to financial freedom has already begun. You are not separate from wealth. You are wealth itself. The very essence of abundance, prosperity, and success runs through you. The universe has designed you to embody wealth in every way, and now it's time to fully realize and accept this powerful truth. Money and success are not distant, unattainable concepts. They are at your command, and they flow through you effortlessly. Wealth is not an external force that you must seek or chase. It is an intrinsic part of who you are. From the way you think to the energy you emit, you are a magnet for prosperity. The more you align with this truth, the more you'll begin to see how wealth naturally gravitates towards you. The opportunities you once sought will now come to you with ease. The people, circumstances, and resources you need to create and manifest your desired wealth are already in place, waiting for you to take action. Understand that you have the power to shape your financial reality. Money answers to your call because you are the source of it. The universe is aligned to provide you with unlimited wealth because you are worthy of it. Every breath you take, every thought you think, and every action you make is connected to the abundance that surrounds you. Step into your true power as the embodiment of wealth. Trust in your ability to command prosperity and watch as the universe responds, delivering the abundance you deserve. You are wealth, and wealth is you. Affirmations are a powerful tool to shift your mindset and invite abundance into your life. By repeatedly affirming your worth and your connection to prosperity, you reinforce the belief that wealth is already yours. Every affirmation you speak is a declaration to the universe that you are ready and deserving of all the abundance it has to offer. Start with this affirmation. I am the vessel through which infinite wealth flows. By saying this, you acknowledge that wealth is not something you have to fight for, but something that naturally flows to you. You become a conduit for prosperity, attracting money, success, and opportunities effortlessly. Next, affirm, I am aligned with unlimited success and financial miracles. This reminder connects you to the vast potential that exists in the universe. When you believe in miracles, they have no choice but to manifest. Your alignment with success means that you are always in the right place at the right time to receive the financial blessings that are coming your way. Lastly, say, my wealth radiates out and blesses the world around me. Recognize that your prosperity is not only for your benefit, but also to spread positivity and abundance to others. As you grow in wealth, you create a ripple effect that uplifts those around you, further magnifying your own blessings. By repeating these affirmations daily, you'll see your belief in prosperity strengthen, and with it, your ability to manifest the wealth and abundance you desire. You are stepping into a new realm, a realm where prosperity, success, and abundance flow to you effortlessly. This is no longer a time for struggle or striving. The universe is aligning in your favor, and opportunities are coming to you naturally. The barriers of lack and doubt that once held you back are no more. From this moment forward, everything you desire will be drawn to you with ease. In this new realm, you are no longer chasing after wealth. Wealth is finding its way to you. You are in perfect alignment with the abundance that the universe has always intended for you. Opportunities will present themselves at the perfect time, and you will recognize them instantly. Your path is clear, and your efforts will be met with fruitful results. This shift is not something you have to force. It is an effortless flow. As you release any lingering doubts and fully embrace your deservingness of success, you'll begin to notice the synchronicities and blessings unfolding in your life. Things that once seemed difficult or out of reach will now come to you with ease. The time for struggle is over. Now you are in a place where everything flows naturally. Whether it's money, opportunities, or relationships, everything you need will be effortlessly attracted into your life. Welcome this new realm with open arms, knowing that your desires are already on their way, and all you have to do is receive. Prosperity is your new reality. Thank you for joining me on this powerful journey today. I hope this message from the universe has resonated with you and that you're feeling inspired to embrace the abundance and prosperity that's flowing your way. Remember, wealth and success are not just possibilities, they're your birthright. All you have to do is believe, and the universe will do the rest. If this message has made an impact on you, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. Let me know how you're going to embrace the flow of abundance in your life. Whether it's a simple, I'm ready for wealth, or a more personal reflection, your words matter and can inspire others to step into their own prosperity. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected for more powerful content like this. Keep shining and stay aligned with your greatness. The universe is always working in your favor. Until next time, stay abundant and watch the magic unfold.